Hello everyone, welcome to the demo video of Yajamani POS system. So first of all you have to log in with your credentials and then go to home screen. So the home screen is designed in a way that you can see all the information that are required to access your business data. Okay, let's say for example total purchase here, total sales and the purchase due and the invoice due and the expenses. Okay, and you can filter all the data with respect to date and the last 7 days, 30 days, month and the current financial year. And coming to down here you can see the pictographical values of your sales within the last 30 days, and here the same for the last current financial year, and then here the sales payment due and the purchase payment due, and here the product stock alert list and the sales order list and the pending shipments. Okay, so this is a home screen where you can get all the data of your business in a one web page. Okay, and then coming to this home screen, so here there are, if in the left side there are many options available or the functions available, so you can go to each and every option by clicking on from this here only. So you are not required to install any other softwares or web pages or any other thing, so you can directly go to whatever option you want to go by simply clicking on that. Let's say for example I want to go to POS, so I can simply click on this POS and I can simply go to that POS. Okay, POS screen. So like that it has been designed in that, and then the main thing here is you are not required to install any other softwares to access your business data. Okay, and another important thing here is the Yajamani POS is a cloud service and it has been hosted on the world renowned servers, so the downtime will be very less, and your data will be secured by the SSL security. So the business owner has no need to worry about the data privacy and the downtime of the server. Okay, and another important thing here is as the Yajamani POS is a cloud service, you can access your data from anywhere on the globe. Okay, so for our other competitors are there, so for them, in order to access your business data, you have to go to that respected business location, and then you have to view all the data from a computer where the software has been installed. But for Yajamani POS system, it is not required like that. You can access all your business data from your mobile phone or a tab or a laptop from anywhere on the globe. Okay, and then so these are all the main functions available here. I will explain each one of them. I will give an overview. So this is the home screen here. And then coming to this user management, so here you can give you can list the users, so who can use this your Yajamani POS account, and here the roles, so you can assign the roles to this particular users, and here you can make a sales commission agents list also with their contact details and all those things. And here coming to this contacts, so here you can add the suppliers contacts and the customers contacts, and you can categorize the customers into different groups like friends group, family group, or other relatives group like that, and you can give discounts to that particular group. Okay, and if you are using this Yajamani POS system for the first time, and if you are having all the contacts at your particular business location, so you can import all the contacts in a one go by using this template file. So you can download the template file and you have to enter all the data according to the instructions given here. Okay, and then coming to this products, so here you can see all the list of the products available. As this is a electronics shop, for this electronic shop, so here you can add all the products available like HP 15 laptop or the mobile iPhone mobile or the LG TV or the Samsung Galaxy mobile like that. So okay, and here you can view the stock report available and with the unit price races and all those things. So and if you want to add a product, you can add it here with all the data like product name, SKU means the stock keeping unit. And another important thing here is if you don't know any word meaning or any option meaning in the whole Yajamani POS account, so let me say I don't know anything about this SKU, so you can simply place your cursor here on this help icon, so it will give a simple definition so that the business owner can understand the meaning of that option, and there is no required to keep an accountant in order to view or manage the business account details or business needs. Okay, so the business owner can easily access and understand the Yajamani POS account, and he can able to manage all his business data. Okay. And then here coming to this add product, here you have to mention all the details of the product. Okay. And then here print labels. So there are many products available in the market which doesn't have any barcode. So Yajamani POS has an option to print labels, and you can give a barcode to each and every product. Okay. And here if you want to add any variations, you can add variations. And coming to the import products, so if you are new to this Yajamani POS account, and if you want to import already available products at a particular business location, so you can import here, and with the same with this opening stock also. And then here the selling price group, so you can differentiate or you can add a different selling price groups, like mainly the wholesale and the retail sale price group. Okay. And then here the units, so here for this electronics, so there will be pieces is a unit generally used, so you can add different units here. Okay. And here the categories like accessories, camera, laptops or mobiles or tablets or TVs, like that you can add it here. And coming to this brand, you can add the brand details here, like Apple, HB, LG, Panasonic, like that. And here warranties, you can add warranties like for laptops how many duration, and the mobile TVs and the tablets. And coming to this purchases, here you can add a list of purchases, so from which supplier you have taken how many products, like that you can add it here. And you can make a list of this purchase return, so like during transportation many products will be damaged, so you can make a purchase return and you can make a list also. And coming to this sell here, so here you can see all the sales occurred at a particular business location, and you can add a sale. And this POS is a point of sale. So this is the billing screen where cashier will be used at this. So here you can add a customer name and the product name. Okay. And here you can simply touch it here. You can scan it here, like you can enter the product name or SKU or the scan a barcode, so you can add it here. And then here you can simply, or else if you want you can add a simple product like that, okay, so product out of stock, so you can simply add a product here. And coming to this, here you can if you are having many products, you can filter them by using these categories and the brands here. Okay. And here you can add a discount here from using this option here, or the order tags and the shipping here, shipping details, shipping charges are there, you can add them here. And coming to this draft, you can make a draft of this available products at a particular business location, and the same goes to the quotation. And if you want, you can suspend the sale or credit, you can give a credit sale to a particular customer or supplier. And coming to this here you can accept different card payments and the multiple pay, like Phone Pay, Google Pay or the Bharat Pay, like that. And here the cash payments, and here you can see the last 10 transactions. Okay. So this is how the POS screen has been designed, so that the cashier billing can be made within the load time or within less time. Okay. And then coming to this, here you can add a draft and you can make a list of the drafts, and the same goes to the quotation and the list of quotation and the list of sell returns if the sell returns have been occurred. And then here the shipments list, you can access the shipments list, and the discounts, if you want, you can add a discounts here. So like for which product you can add a discount from here, so the name of that product and the brand with all the details from start set and the end date. Okay. So you can add discounts here. And import sales, so if you have already done sales before using this Yajamani POS system, so you can import the sales details also. And coming to this stock transfers, this can be used to transfer your products from one business location to another business location, or from the warehouse to this particular business location. So you can have the data, so you can add the data here with all the respective details, like the brand name, product name and all those things. And then coming to the stock adjustment, so there will be a case like fire accident or short circuit or damages during the transportation. So you can you have to adjust the stock available, so you can add a stock adjustment here with all the necessary details. Okay. And you can make a list of the stock adjustments. Okay. And then coming to these expenses, you can add all the list of all the expenses that have been occurred at a particular business location, and you can categorize the expenses like the business rent, business location rent, and the employee salaries, and the miscellaneous, and the daily needs like that, electricity bill, and all those things. And coming to this report, the main important aspect of this Yajamani POS system is the reports, because from these reports only the business owner can assess his business needs, and he can make a tough decisions in order to grow his business. Okay, so there are many products available like the profit or loss report. We can see it here, like how many opening stock, like the closing stock, like the details and all those things. And here the gross profit, net profit, and here you can see the profit by products or profit by categories, and the profit by brands, and the location, and the invoice, profit by invoice, by date, and by customer, and profit by day also. Okay, and then the same goes to the product purchase report, and the same goes to the sales representative report, the salesperson's report who are working at a particular business location, and the register report, the cash register report, and the expenses report. So how much expenses have been occurred in a particular business location. So you can see it here from here. Okay, with a pictographical graph also. Okay, and then here the sell payment report, and then here the purchase payment report, and the product sell report, and the items report, and the purchase and sale report, and the trending products. So this is an interesting one. So you can see which product is trending at a particular business location, okay, with a graph, total units sold and the values, and the stock adjustment report, and the stock report, the stock available at a particular business location, and the customer groups report, and the supplier and customer report, and the tax report. So here you can see all the tax which will be applied to the input products or the output products, and the expenses. Okay, and the activity log, where you can see all the activities on this Yajamani POS account. And another important feature here is the notification template. So you can send emails, SMS, and the WhatsApp. So nowadays WhatsApp marketing is another necessary marketing app. So the WhatsApp text, WhatsApp marketing is also been included in this Yajamani POS system. So here you can send a ledger to any email. Okay, and here the coming to this customer notifications like new sale, or payment received, or payment reminder, new booking, or the new quotation. So you can send an email or SMS or the WhatsApp text. And the same goes to the supplier notification, like new order, payment paid, items received, or items pending, like the email or SMS or the WhatsApp. Okay, and then coming to the settings. So here from this settings you can configure or adjust or update, or you can set according to your business needs. So like say for example business settings, like here you can adjust the business name, or update or add a business name, currency, update logo, or the financial year, like that. And here you can use the tax details, and the same goes to product, contact, sale, POS, purchases, dashboard, system prefixes, email settings. So in order to send this notification templates, here you have to configure the email APIs, and here the SMS APIs, and the reward point settings. So this is one interesting one. So here in order to attract the particular customer, so here you can give the reward points to particular sales. Okay, the particular amount spent by the customer at a particular business location. So here you can adjust the ending point settings and the reward point settings, and the same goes to the modules and the custom labels. And the same settings has to be changed for this business locations, and the invoice settings, and the barcode settings, and the receipt printers. So the Yajamani POS has been designed in a way that all printers will be accepted by this system, so including the thermal printers also. And then coming to this tax rates, so here you can add the individual tax rates applied to the available products at a particular business location. Okay, and then here you can make a tax groups also, like the SGST and the CGST. Okay, so these are all the functions and overview of the Yajamani POS system. So that's it. Thank you for listening and watching.